Have you ever given something so small and later realized it changed someone's entire life? This is one of those stories. Right from the heart of Chicago. It was a freezing November morning in Chicago. The kind of cold that bites your fingers and fogs your breath. Emily Carter, a 35-year-old single mother, was rushing down Michigan Avenue. She was late for work at the diner, tired and hungry herself. Her mind was full of worries, rent, bills, and her little boy waiting at home. As she crossed the street, she saw a man sitting on the sidewalk. His clothes were torn, his eyes empty, and his sign read, "Hungry. Anything helps." Emily walked past for a few steps. Then, she stopped. Something about his eyes made her turn back. She reached into her purse and pulled out a turkey sandwich. Her only lunch for the day. "Hey, you hungry?" she asked softly. The man looked up, startled. "More than you can imagine," he said quietly. Emily handed him the sandwich. He took it slowly, like it was a gift from heaven. "Thank you, ma'am," he whispered. "God bless you." Emily smiled, nodded, and hurried away, unaware that this tiny act would change two lives forever. That night, in a small shelter near Lakeview, the man, Robert Hayes, ate that sandwich slowly. Every bite brought him back to hope. He hadn't felt seen in months. But that one act reminded him he was still human. The next morning, he went to a community center. There, Pastor James helped him find a small job and a bed to sleep in. Little by little, Robert started rebuilding his life. 2 years passed. Emily was now working at a cozy cafe downtown. It was Thanksgiving week. The smell of pumpkin pie filled the air. A man walked in, holding a small bouquet of flowers. He smiled and said, "Do you remember me?" Emily blinked. "I'm sorry, I'm Robert. 2 years ago, you gave me a sandwich on Michigan Avenue." Her eyes widened. "Oh my God, Robert? You look amazing." He laughed softly. "Yeah, that moment changed everything. You didn't just give me food. You gave me a reason to live again." He handed her the flowers. "I just wanted to say thank you." Emily's eyes filled with tears. She walked around the counter and hugged him. For a moment, the whole cafe went silent. No music. No chatter. Just two hearts, connected by kindness. That day, Emily realized something beautiful. Humanity isn't about changing the whole world. It's about one moment, one act, one sandwich at a time.